Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Today I'm here with, let me zoom out a bit more. There we go. Move this out of the way and fix my camera a little bit. There we go. Okay. I'm here with some Happy Meal from Miss Margaret L. Now, some of it may be in giveaways. We'll see. Okay. First off, we have these two trims here. One is a black with gold. It's like a mesh here. Okay. Then we have also this one. Let me see here. Where's the end of it? This one's the same color, so that's good for there. You never know where it's going to go. Sorry for the crinkling. I know it does the same thing to me, but it has to be done. Okay, so let me see if I can close this a little bit so it doesn't fall out of the bag. There we go. We have that one. Then we have this one. Let me put this one somewhere. I'll put it on the floor for now. Then we have this here. I'm sorry, fabric. I love how this is all paisley on the back here. Let me cut this up to something. Don't know. Look at that, how pretty. So, I'm going to pull it out of the bag if I can find the opening. There we go. I'm not going to unfold it because I'm afraid I won't be able to fold it back. We have the purple, the gold, and red. Well, it's actually blue. It's true to color on camera. Okay. You got the flowers here and there. Then we have, whoops. Let's move that. Save that for something. Then we have the gold. This one looks like it's like a bit of African American, maybe. But it's all sari silk, so we'll see. Then we have this one with the elephants that's green and like a navy blue with red and gold here, or maroon and gold. So you got the gold elephant. It smells yummy. Neon here, green here, blue here. That's those. You never know if it's going to be in a giveaway or if I'm going to use it in a project. You just got to be on the lookout. Okay? And pictures will be put at the end of the video. We also have some more of these. And I will be recording some more of today's prayer. So we got these three to last us for a bit. We'll see how long it lasts us once I start recording. Then we have this beautiful painting here of a vintage sailboat. This is beautiful. I'm going to try to pin this one. That one is too long. This one. Put that in there so it doesn't unroll. We also have some colored cardstock, bright colored cardstock. That's 65 pounds. There's 4 colors and there's 125 sheets in here. Then we have some of these tassel key rings, but you never know. So we have this gorgeous one. You never know what it's gonna end up on. Oh, it has a cross on it. I think they're all the same. Yeah, they are. All the same. This one has an angel on it. We have, whoops, this all tangled up. Here's another one with an angel on it. Isn't it gorgeous? And this one has a butterfly on it. Very, very cool. But I will be taking them apart. So watch out to see what I do with them. We also have this fabric here. Again, you never know. It might be in a giveaway. It might be in a project. Okay. Okay. So we have this here. This piece here. I'm not going to unfold it all. This is black. Because I know if I unfold it, I won't be able to get it back in. And this is, I don't know. It doesn't state what it is. But look at that, how pretty. Woohoo! I don't know how many yards is here, but you never know. I could put it in a giveaway. I could use it in a project. Just be on the lookout. So, I also have this gorgeous little gnome here. Isn't he cute? He's going to be put with my other gnomes that I have. Uh-oh. Let's move this Mr. Gnome out of the way. We also have this gorgeous fabric here. So this is purple. Here we go. And we have some gold here with the trim on the bottom is black and gold. Can't tell you how many yards is here either, because I don't want to untie it just yet. Like I said, most of this stuff you never know where you're going to see it, so just be on the lookout for it. Okay, and then we have this one here. It's pink with paisleys on it. This is pretty. And it's all sari silk. And look at that print right here. Isn't that pretty? This looks almost like tribal here. We never know what I'm going to do. Okay, that one. We have two little owls. We also have this purse here. That's going to go in a giveaway. And it's from Like Dreams Company. Like Dreams Official. It is black. And I will fill it with goodies when I do a giveaway. So, be on the lookout for that. And, oh, we have one more of these. And this one has a dream catcher on it. These are beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. And we also have this beautiful piece here. I love dragons. Love, love, love dragons. So, she also sent me a geode. According to this, that's what it is, but let's just double check the name. Well, it states it on here, but here we go. That is pretty. Then we have, we're almost done. We have jade here. And then, try not to have a craft-a-lance here. I have a glue gun with a few glue sticks that's going to go in a giveaway when I start to do giveaways. We also have this lovely little Bible that's going to be hanging on my keys, or more likely on my purse. Then we have this that's going to go with the glue gun and go in a giveaway. So that is all we have. Stay tuned for photos at the end of the video. I'm trying to put my magnifying glass back. That is it. There's still a few things that I don't want to show because you never know where it's going to pop up. So this is it for now. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new videos. And also, well, basically when I upload any type of content, please be kind, be gentle, be blessed, sending love and light, and I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. Bye-bye for now.